I'm Derek from Bangers and Cash, and I'm addicted to biscuits.
I'm Dave from Bangers and Cash.
Right, I'm Paul from Bangers and Cash.
Hello, I'm Charlie from Bangers and Cash.
I'm Jack from Bangers and Cash, and we're playing Biscuit Wars.
McVitie's chocolate digestive, yeah, definitely. Yeah, very nearly a number one, I'd say. Hobnobs, no digestives. Jammy Dodgers, no chocolate digestives. Bourbons, no chocolate digestives. Custard creams, whoa, difficult. I'm going to go with custard creams. Yeah, I know, it's difficult. It's very close. Rich tea, again, really close. I'm going to stick, I think, I'm going to go rich tea. Ginger nuts, no, stick with rich tea. Chocolate fingers, no, rich tea. Sorry, nice biscuits, no, rich tea. Shortbread, yeah, top of the shop. Yeah, shortbread, definitely.
That's certainly a contender. That's going to be up there. That's going to take a bit of beating, that one, I think. And McVitie's chocolate digestives, yeah, they're up there. Got to be in the mood for the hobnobs. Got to be in the mood for them. Milk chocolate so far. Not a massive fan of Jammy Dodgers. Sorry, no, not a huge fan of them. No. All Bourbons is going to be up there with chocolate digestives, I'm afraid. Chocolate digestives have to be, but Bourbon is really on its tail there. Yeah. Oh my word, this is hard, isn't it? Because custard creams are a softie for them as well. Yeah, third, but only just. Oh my word, yeah, you're picking all the top ones here, aren't you? Rich teas. If I'm feeling good, then I'll go for a rich tea, because apparently they're less calories than a digestive biscuit. So, gosh, yeah.
What calories though, do you think?
Give over, man. More than you do, I think. Oh my word, you're picking all the top numbers, aren't you? Yeah, ginger nuts. This is really hard, isn't it?
But you're leaning still.
Yeah, chocolate digestives. No, milk chocolate fingers, no. No, not a fan of them. No, nice biscuits, not a fan of those, no. Shortbreads, yeah, that's a contender as well, but no, still milk chocolate digestive.
Christmas?
Exactly, they always come out at Christmas, don't they? Yeah, I mean, those and pickled onions are like compulsory purchases for Christmas.
Not together.
Well, not necessarily together, but when you're walking around the supermarket, yeah, definitely.
So we've got milk chocolate digestives. I like milk chocolate digestives. Or plain hobnobs. Milk chocolate digestives for me. Milk chocolate digestives or Jammy Dodgers, it'd be Jammy Dodgers. Jammy Dodgers or Bourbons, still going to be Jammy Dodgers. Jammy Dodgers or custard creams, Jammy Dodgers again. Rich tea, Jammy Dodgers every time. Now you can keep ginger nuts. I like ginger nuts, but they'd have to be the only biscuit on show. Jammy Dodgers. Jammy Dodgers or chocolate fingers. Do you know what? It'd still be Jammy Dodgers. Nice. Nah, Jammy Dodgers every time. Now, Jammy Dodgers or shortbread. Shortbread. It's going to be shortbread. I like shortbread. You can have it any time of day. Needless to say, obviously, I don't eat that many biscuits. You know, you can't to keep this snake-like figure, can you? But, you know.
What have we got? McVitie's chocolate digestive or hobnobs? Gonna have to be chocolate for me, I think. Yeah, digestives. Or Jammy Dodger. Now you're testing me, aren't you? You're really testing me. I think I'll have to go Jammy Dodger, you know. Oh, Bourbon. Oh, Jammy Dodger. Jammy Dodger or custard creams. I'm gonna have to stick Jammy Dodger. Rich tea. Ooh, if it's with a cup of tea, a rich tea. So yeah, probably rich tea on that one. Rich tea or ginger? Oh no, rich tea. Yeah, not a massive ginger fan. It's got to be chocolate fingers. Gonna have to be chocolate fingers. Oh, the nice biscuits. They're lovely, them actually. But no, chocolate fingers. Chocolate fingers.
More than shortbread?
More than shortbread, yeah. Too dry.
So we've got chocolate digestives or hobnobs. Digestives, I think, on that one. Digestives or Jammy Dodgers. Digestives again. And then digestives or oh, that's getting tricky now. Nah, digestives again. Digestives or custard creams. Digestives again. Digestive or rich tea. Digestive, because they snap when you dunk them in your tea. I speak from experience. Ginger nuts, nah, digestives. Digestives or chocolate fingers, nah, chocolate fingers. It's funny actually, because I take a pack of them when I go rallying, and if I come in and I'm like so many seconds slower on a stage, if I have some of them, I'm quicker. Chocolate fingers or nice biscuits? Nah, fingers. Fingers or shortbread? Nah, fingers.